Hello and welcome to this course on data analytics with Python. My name is Jaydev Deshpande and I am an associate principal data scientist at Gramina, which is a data science company. We are collecting more and more data than ever before in history, and there's an entire industry around analyzing and interpreting this data. The objective of this course is not only to make you comfortable within the practice of data analytics, but also to make you significantly competent within this industry. You see, so far we have mostly been grasping at straws. Analysis has not been able to keep up with the volume of data. It seems like no matter how much money or energy we invest in analyzing data, we cannot keep up with the demand really. One of the major reasons why this happens is because data analysis as an industrial vocational discipline tends to be fairly ad hoc and in its approach to data, that is. One of the most important things you are going to learn in this course is how to take a structured approach towards analyzing data. You will see that having a structure, a process makes you significantly more effective. It brings more discipline, more rigor to the practice and helps you avoid wastage, which is a wastage of analysis, wastage of energy, ultimately that of time and money as well. And since it's a well-defined, well-structured process, with some luck, you should be able to automate this process also. Now, a major aspect of this course is the tool that we will use, which is Python and some of its libraries. Python is an old language. In fact, it's older than Java, but its use as a primary language for data science has exploded in the last 5 to 10 years. More and more practitioners are slowly moving away from domain-specific tools like MATLAB or even Excel towards Python. And the reason is that Python is the only general purpose programming language that has a plethora of different easy to use libraries for data analysis. Note that data analysis is usually only one block in a larger pipeline which ultimately creates your product or your service. And having the whole pipeline in a single language is easier than, for most developers and practitioners rather than having a different software stack for each block. Having said that, also note that we are only going to be using Python as a vehicle for analytics. In the industry, the only thing as abundant as data itself is opinions about which tool is the best. And I believe that the sooner you lay this question to rest, the better for everyone. Tools do not matter, technique does. A good analyst is somebody who's able to perform good analysis with any tool that is available to them. The idea is not basically overfitting on one tool, but being able to pick up and learn new and new tools, fairly quickly. The best tool that you have, remember, is between your ears. So ultimately, my job here is to teach you the process and methods of data analysis with Python as a tool, as a vehicle. You should be able to replicate this process with pretty much any other tool that you are comfortable with. In fact, that would be a good test of how well you have understood the material. So with that, let's get started.